Hey family, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, I want to use this medium to thank you all for your continuous support over this channel. Guys, I really appreciate that. So in case you have not watched my previous vlog, do check it out so that you can understand better what is going on here. So my cousin sister, okay, she's actually my second cousin, and her daughter, which is my third cousin, is going to be having her first birthday. So what we are doing right now is just me prepping everything that we need for the birthday. So I just decided to take you guys along so we can do the prep together. So guys, come along with us, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up at the end, and also subscribe if you're coming across my channel for the first time. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. So guys, I'm doing voiceover because this video there were a lot of catching up, lots of discussion going on in this video, so I didn't want to bore you guys with our conversation, so I just decided to do this voiceover over this video. So guys, hope you guys enjoy watching. So we are going to be making some rice and stew and jollof rice, and also some pepper meats, some moi moi, some egg roll, barbecue, pepper soup. Just stay tuned and see for yourself. Man, I see one for the last time. I come and call him. Give them. And this is the mom of the celebrant. Why you put mask for this thing? I wish you forget. The mask, who was it? And I say hello.
Yes,
Christiana. You have shared, you are not like before again. Now you are ready. Yeah, that's the mama, the grandma of the celebrant. Give them. Yes, so. That's the daddy of the celebrant. And this is the big mommy. And then they give it to them.
Momo sauce.
Yes, so we are going to be boiling it right now. So give them. That's the mother of the celebrant. That's the mother of the celebrant. Ah, give them. Give them. Give them. Wow, yes, sir. This is our Izoko. I remember say you say my female now. When you come to say you buy flight ticket here. Remember say you flight here. We do flight ticket here. Show here. Imama not the flight ticket now.
Not be €5, €13. I think one 13 at the back.
So stay there. Okay fam, so at this stage we are done cooking. So here we have some jollof rice for the kids in case they don't like the paper rice or the leaf rice, and over here we have our assorted stew to pair with the leaf rice. So fam, just take a look at that pot of goodness. Just take a look at it, and it was super delicious. Over here we have our pepper momo and also pepper soup, which I forgot to show you guys. So guys, this is the next morning and we are done cooking. So here is a beautiful view of Bonhomme City from our balcony. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.